Welcome back, everyone. Hope you are all doing amazing. Feel free to ask any educational related questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer. So, let's get on with it. So today we'll be doing percentage. Percentage has two parts, per and cent. Per means out of, and cent is 100%. Percentage is just a number over 1. So what is 100%, 50%, 10%, and 5% of a number? 100% is the whole number. 50% is half of the whole number. 10% is divide the whole number by 10. And 5% is half of 10% of the whole number. Example, 45% of 80. 100% is equal to 80. 50% of 80 is 40. 10% of 80 is 8. 5% of 80 is 4, because 10% is equal to 8. So if you divide 8 by 2, will give you 4. And 5 is half of 10. Therefore, 45% of 80 is 36. We can either say 50%, 40 minus 5%, which is 4, which will give you 36. Or we can say 10% times 4 plus the 5%, which will be equal to 32, which is 32 plus 36. Percentage question. So let's look at number 1. 15% of 60. 50% is 10% plus 5%. 10% of 60 is 6. 5% of 60 is 3. Therefore, 15% of 60 is 9. 5% is half of 10%, and 3 is half of 6. So let's look at number 2. 95% of 56. So 100% minus 5%. 100 minus 5 is 95%. 100% is 56. And 5% is 2.8. 5.6 minus 56 minus 2.8 is 553. Let's look at the next question. At number 3. 55% of 78. 55 is 50% plus 5%. So what is 50% of 78? 50% of 78 is 39. And 5% of 78 is 3.9. As you can see, 50 is 10 times bigger than 5. So you might as well divide the 50% of 78 by 2. And your answer will be 42.9. The next one, number 4. What is 60% of 48? 60% is 50% plus 10%. 50% of 48 is 24. 10% of 48 is 4.8. That means 60% of 48 is equal to 28.4. Let's look at the last question, 45% of 89. 45% is 50% minus 5%. So 50% of 89 is 44.5. And 5% of 89 is 4.45. Therefore, for 45% of 89 is 40.05. As you can see, these questions are very simple, and after a while, you'll be able to see that the question will be a lot quicker to do. So if you keep practicing these types of questions, it will be easier for you to do it, and your in-class tests will be completed much faster than before. Stay tuned for my next video, and hope to see you guys there, and study well. See you guys. Bye.